Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm here to help you with your U.S. naturalization interview. Today, I am the immigration officer, and you are the applicant. I want you to listen to my questions and answer them out loud to help you prepare for the interview. And if you need extra help, check out our website for live mock interviews. Good luck! Hi, I'm Officer Smith, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. Nice to meet you as well. How's your day going so far? Thanks for asking. I'm doing great. Before we start, I need to put you under oath. Please remain standing and raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the statements you are about to make will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Great. Please have a seat. And tell me, what did you just promise? Good. And do you know why you're here? Good. Why do you want to become a U.S. citizen? Great answer. Can I see your appointment notice? Thank you. May I also see your permanent resident card, also known as your green card, your passport, and your state-issued identification? Thank you. Okay, can you confirm your current legal name for me, please? Okay. Have you used any other names? Okay. And with your citizenship, you are entitled to change your name legally at no cost. Do you wish to change your name today? Okay. What is your birthday? Okay, and where were you born? As part of our interview, you have to pass the American Government and History exam and the English language proficiency. This includes reading, writing, speaking, and understanding of English. We're going to start with the civics test first. I'm going to ask you up to 10 questions, and you need to answer at least 6 of them correctly to pass. Do you have any questions before we start? All right, let's start. First question. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? Very good. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? Correct. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Very good. Who was president during World War I? Correct. There were 13 original states. Name 3 of them. Very good. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Excellent! You've answered 6 questions correctly, and we'll stop the test now. Congratulations, you've passed. Next, I'm going to ask you to read 1 English sentence and write 1 English sentence. Both will be conducted on the tablet in front of you. First, read the sentence that's showing on the tablet out loud, please. Very good. Now write the following sentence I give you on the tablet. You can either use the stylus pen or your finger. Washington was the first president. Okay, let me take a look. All right, perfect. So you've passed the English reading and writing test. Now let's review your application. Do you have a Social Security number? Okay, and may I please see that card? Thank you. Okay. Just as a reminder, you don't have to worry about going to the Social Security office after you're naturalized anymore. It will be updated automatically. How long have you been a permanent resident? Okay. And what is your current citizenship? Thank you. What's the best number in case we need to reach you? Okay, thank you. And can you please give me your present mailing address? Okay, thank you. Is this also the same address where you live? Okay. And how long have you lived at your current address? Okay. Is it a house or an apartment? Okay. Now let's go over your travel history. How many international trips have you made in the last 5 years? Okay. And have you made any new trips after submitting your application? All right. And could you provide the date you left the US? Okay. And when did you return? Okay. And where did you go? Nice. And what was the purpose of your trip? Great. All right. Now let's talk about your employment. Are you currently working? Okay. And can you please give me your employer's name where you're currently working? Okay. And what's the address of your employer? Thank you. And what do they do? Nice. And what do you do for them? How long have you been with the company? Do you receive any type of public assistance? Okay. How many times have you been married? Okay. And what is your current marital status? Okay. Do you have any children? What's your child's name? Does your child live with you? Okay, let's move on to the next section. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen? Good. Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident? Great. And do you currently owe any overdue taxes? Very good. Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world? Good. Have you ever advocated any of the following or been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any group anywhere in the world that advocated any of the following: the overthrow by force or violence or other unconstitutional means of the government of the United States or all forms of law. Opposition to all organized government. World communism. The establishment in the United States of a totalitarian dictatorship. The unlawful assaulting or killing of any officer or officers of the government of the United States or of any other organized government because of their official character. The unlawful damage, injury, or destruction of property. Sabotage. Do you believe in religious freedom? Good. And what does that mean? Very good. Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped, or otherwise participated in any kind of sexual contact or activity with any person who did not consent or was unable to consent or was being forced or threatened by you or by someone else? Good. Have you ever served in, been a member of, assisted, or participated in any military or police unit? Have you ever been arrested, cited, detained, or confined by any law enforcement officer, military official, or immigration official for any reason, or been charged with a crime or offense? Okay. Did any of the traffic tickets involve a DUI, lead to an arrest, or severely injure another person? Okay, good. That's not an issue. So no other arrests or other citations, correct? Okay, thank you. Did you ever give false testimony to an immigration officer to gain immigration benefits? Good. Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States? Good. Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States? Great. Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment? Thank you. Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States? Good. If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States? And can you tell me what this question means? Very good. And if the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces? Good. And if the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction? All right, great. That concludes your interview. Give me a minute and let me update your application. Okay. Please scroll through the application on the tablet and review the changes I've made. If you agree with the changes, sign at the bottom of the page and click Accept. The next section is the Oath of Allegiance to the United States. By signing, you agree that you understand all of the statements and will take the oath of allegiance to the United States on the date of your naturalization ceremony. So please sign and date right here. Okay, thank you. Let me print out the results for you. All right. This concludes your naturalization interview. Here's a copy of your result. You have passed the civics portion of the exam as well as the English reading and writing requirements. You also show your ability to speak and understand English. I will be recommending your approval for U.S. citizenship.